Actually added two features to make the game even more challenging. First is the map layout. The map layout actually, one of the core drivers is to create accomplishment where the players have to navigate through the map. Um, the second is actually this capsule, which is a AI capsule that will randomly move in different direction throughout the map. The core driver behind is unpredictability, where the player do not know where is this capsule actually going to move. And actually there's a last core driver, which is avoidance, because every time when you touch the capsule you lose the whole game. So without further ado, let me show you the game. So you can see um, point is being added every time. So there's a minus point. So if I touch the capsule, it says that I lost the game. So this is the part where the player will lose the game. I'm using this enumerator called Wonder, and then after that, the system will check um, if the player is walking. If he's walking, then it lets it walk for this amount of time, and then after that he turns to force, and then it will rotate um, randomly either to the left or the right. So after that, then you will change certain booleans to true and false, and that will and then continue walking again. This is the part where we use the quaternarian API, where we rotate the 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 item. So you can see from here, the pill is actually rotating every time after you move in the direction, and then you will rotate.